How are drug trafficking conspiracy charges proven? Imagine a case where the government is trying to prove that a group of people plan to move large amounts of illegal drugs across state lines. How do they do that? Well, they look for specific evidence that shows a shared plan and actions taken to make it happen. First, they need to show there was an agreement. This means at least two people agreed to commit a drug trafficking crime. The agreement does not have to be written down or formal. It can be shown through conversations, text messages, emails, or even actions that suggest a shared plan. For example, if two people talk about buying a large shipment of drugs or coordinate a meeting, that can be enough to prove an agreement. The law does not requiring every detail to be discussed, just that there was a mutual understanding to commit the crime. Next, the government must prove that each person charged knew about the plan and willingly joined it. This means they must show the accused was aware of the illegal activity and intended to participate. If someone was just there by coincidence or unaware of the plan, they cannot be convicted of conspiracy. Evidence like statements, recorded conversations, or witness testimony can help establish knowledge and intent. Finally, they need to prove that at least one person in the group took an overt act to move the plan forward. An overt act is any action that helps carry out the conspiracy, such as making a phone call, arranging a meeting, or purchasing supplies. It does not have to be illegal on its own but must be connected to the conspiracy. For instance, buying a vehicle to transport drugs or setting up a meeting place can serve as overt acts. Prosecutors often relying on recordings of conversations, text messages, surveillance footage, financial records, or witness statements to gather evidence. These help show the agreement, the knowledge of the plan, and the overt acts. From a defense point of view, it is important to challenge each of these elements. Defendants can argue there was no real agreement, that they did not know about the plan, or that their actions were not connected to any conspiracy. Witness credibility and the reliability of evidence are also common points to question. In summary, proving drug trafficking conspiracy charges involves showing there was an agreement, that the accused knew about it and intended to join, and that some action was taken to move the plan forward. Each of these steps can be challenged to protect the rights of the accused.